YouTube fishing fam, what is going on? It's your boy STFCTF, and we're going fishing now. This is a very late day for me. I'm getting everything ready right now, but very late day for me. Typically I come out here early in the morning, as you guys know. I try to be here about like 4:30, 5 o'clock, get on the water and start doing my thing. Today we are here at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock I believe. I haven't really checked my phone, so I'm going to do that. However, we need some dinner. So our goal is to catch striper, hopefully come up on boils and just nail striper, but we will be doing some bass fishing as well. I've never fished this late, so we'll just kind of see how it takes us. It's a beautiful day. It's not very windy. That's why I decided to come out. And YouTube fishing fam, I love you. Thank you guys. Things are going great. You guys are great. You're the magic. Winking the guns again. Pow, 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 pow. And I will catch you guys on the water. Peace out. Guys, I don't even have the other camera on, but I'm pretty sure I just stumbled upon a boil. And I'm totally messing up right now because I can't even cast out. Oh my gosh. This is freaking crazy, guys. This is crazy. I'm a little upset that I changed the rattle trap. Got that. For sure. Dude, you can break me off. Oh, yeah, these guys are good. These guys are good. Oh, yeah, you guys see that? Look at this, dude. This is freaking crazy. Oh, yeah, dude. Alright. This is a great fight, I'll tell you that. These guys are freaking pissed. And they're kind of big. All right, guys. Got him, boy. Oh yeah. That was awesome. Still on, that's for sure. I mean, not too bad, guys. Pretty good. Or one of those, any of those. So we're keeping you for dinner. We need dinner. We need dinner. YouTube fishing fam, what's up? It's your boy STFCTF, and chasing stripers in 100 feet of water day. So time check, it's 5 o'clock. I've been out here for about 4 hours now, and I've caught 5 fish. I've kept 5 fish. I probably have caught 8, and I'm literally just chasing boils in like 100 feet of water trying to find them. I don't know if I'm gonna leave or if I'm going to stay and continue on fishing, but I will let you guys know. I mean, you'll see in the video to come. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you're not already, because it's your boy STFCTF, and he's out here doing it. But no, it's kind of been slow. It's kind of been a grind, but fun. Been very crazy with these boils this, like, yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do, and then you guys will see it. Peace out.